However, Capsule works very well in countries like Europe or America because it's an expensive agenda. So when you come to the countries like Asia or China or Africa, you need to look at how do we provide the same level of authentication, the QR code mechanisms, the 2D codes.
Ultimately, how will we able to motivate the farmer, the retailer to use this product, use this technology for their own benefits?
How do we tell the farmer that this is what our product is? This is how our bottle looks like, or this is what a hologram is, or this is what the QR code you can scan and do. Conveying that message is very, very important to farmers.
For me, it's very difficult to expect that farmers will suddenly start using and will start checking from the companies whether it's real or not. But at least it will create a fear in the minds of the people who produces these counterfeits, that the technology, at least we have to use the one step better technology than what they are using.
Track and trace and QR code is a very good technology. There cannot be two opinions about it. And we as an agrochemical industry, whether we are in pesticide or in fertilizers, adopting it is in the benefit of the company first. Then we come to how it is going to help the farmers and other things.
In terms of second is the technology part, I think the real challenge that we currently are facing is the last mile. Capturing data at the last mile is a real big challenge.
Mr. Kapoor and all other panelists also already said that it's going to be a paradigm shift. What I feel that it's going to be a cultural shift in terms of entire supply chain activities.
Involvement of the government as well as all the industries should come forward together, join hand together, and this is the right time. The technology is there, and this is just to implement.
We are not educating only our net of customers or channel. Means we are educating all industry people there. So it becomes as a mandate type of, and obviously the implementation will be much smoother and 100%. And once it's happened, we know what stock is available at the retail level, and we really know what is the demand, because many times we go with what is invoice is the demand.
If we are unable to track the movement of the goods, it is very difficult in international business to rely what my client is saying, because I don't have any idea whether the goods are lying at the port unless because they clear the goods from the customs.
I think the way technology has evolved, if you talk about 2G, 3G, or when we talk about Industry 4 also today, a lot of changes have actually evolved in the last 2 years, and it's been specifically during the COVID times. I think a lot of organizations have come up with a lot of innovative solutions.